Welcome to another video in the video series CAD-TD Made Easy. In today's lesson, we're going to be constructing quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals are four-sided figures. And our first lesson, we're going to construct a square. A square has four equal sides and four right angles. And question 1, we are constructing a square given one side which is 60 millimeters long. Now before we begin, I must let you know that we could use the rectangle tool to construct a square quite easily with AutoCAD. But since we're in geometrical construction, we're going to be looking at how to construct your square. So to begin with, I'm going to be drawing that line. It'll be 60 millimeters. I'm going to be putting on my auto function using my FBFA key, that's the short key, and typing in my distance, which is 60 millimeters, and that gives me my first line. Now with the auto function, continue and draw a square. Then again, we are constructing a square, so I'm going to press escape and continue with the construction. Next, we're going to construct a right angle. So first, I'm going to select the construction line, and I'm going to be using the center start end tool. If you're having problems constructing the right angle, please review my video of angle construction. So to begin, we will draw a first arc. Any radius will do, and we draw that arc. Right, let's make sure we are using the center start end tool. Right, we have the auto setting. I'm going to take off the auto setting with automatic mode. For this construction, you want to get a big, nice arc. Now, when constructing a 90 degrees arc, we must first construct a 60-degree arc, and you get a 60. If you use an arc of equal radius from the start point of the first arc. Now, the arc tool in an anti-clockwise direction. If you want to get it to draw clockwise, you simply the control key allows you to draw in a clockwise direction. So that's my first arc. This first arc is going to give me 6 degrees. I'm going to draw a second arc to the same radius. I'm going to get it to draw clockwise. Now, point is giving me 100 degrees, and my 90 would be right between the 6 and the 120 degrees. I'm going to increase this arc, a nice big arc, and from one, I'm going to open my arc from the 60 to complete 90 degrees. So these two arcs in the second top will give me that 90 degrees. I'm going to go to object line. And there I have 90 degrees. Now, since all sides of my square or a square is equal, I'm going to use arcs to transfer distances so that I can make on my sides equal. I'm going to still use the center side. So I'm going to come at this end of the line, open it to the other end of the arc. This arc now will be my 60 millimeters. I'm going to extend this line to meet my arc, and I'm using the extend tool. Now where you have trim, you have extend, select where you want to extend it to first. Press enter and then select the line and extend it to the line. So that's the extend tool. So now we have two sides of our square. We have right and a right angle. Once a square has one right angle, or once a figure has one right angle, and all the sides are equal, then all the other angles are going to be right angles. So I'll go back to my arc tool for a second. I'm going to pull from the other end and the inner and this intersect there. That would be the other corner of square, and there we have our square completed, where we are given one side 60 millimeters, and we know that the angles are 90 degrees. If you wish, we could neaten it up a bit by using the lengthen tool here. Allows it to either lengthen or shorten arc line. If I could my arcs, so you can do that with which or leave it as it is there. And that concludes this first construction, constructing and square a square given one side 60 millimeters. In our second construction, we're going to be constructing a square once again. This time we're constructing our square given its diagonal, which is 85 millimeters long. It is interesting to know that our square has two diagonals that intersect to form four right angles. So we're going to begin with a construction line, and it's going to be the length of our diagonal. Right, I'm just going to put in the auto function, which is F8, and our diagonal is 85 millimeters long, so I'm going to put in there and escape that line function. Now next I need to find the center of our line. Now AutoCAD has a snap function which is going to snap the midpoint of the line, but we're not going to use that function. Instead we're going to bisect our line, and to bisect our line we're going to be using our center start end. We're going to go from the beginning of the line of the auto function. So I'm going to just take it off, and I'm going to use a dimension that is greater than half the length of the line. So let's say I've used 55, and I draw nice big arc. I'm going to do something from the same thing from the next end of our line. 55, and draw a second set of arcs to intersect. Where arcs intersect, we'll bisect my line, from which I'm going to use my circle, and from the center I'm going to circle the side of my diagonal. Next I'm going to extend my bisection to make it a diagonal, so I'm going to use the extend tool, circle, enter and extend my diagonals to meet the circle. What this does is that it gives me two equal sets of diagonals, which I can now use to draw my square connecting my points and here we have constructed a square given its diagonals.